So the question is, if fx equals to log of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x, then we have to find f2 of x upon 1 plus x square. So we have to find this. Okay, and we have fx. So this is x for this, which is x, this is x. Okay, so let's see the solution. So this we have fx equals to log of 1 minus x upon 1 plus, this is we have, and we have to find f of 2x upon 1 plus x square. So we will put here like 1 minus x, value of x will be 2x upon 1 plus x square upon, and here this will be put, we will put like this. Okay, this is x, fx now, that's why this is x, so we will put here in this x only. We have to do this, and we will do simple calculation. We will simply calculate this. This will be like 1 plus x square minus 2x. Okay, so this will be like a minus b ka whole square and a plus b ka whole square. So this will be like 1 minus x upon 1 plus x ka whole square. And after this is the property of log. If the the power is over, then this will be like here. So this will be like log 1 minus x 1 plus x. This is, and this part is fx. Okay, so this is 2fx. So solution number means option number B is correct. 2fx.